Choose an exfoliating product that works well for all skin types requires finding something gentle yet effective. Here are a few highly regarded options that cater to various skin types. Number 1. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Key ingredients: salicylic acid. Benefits: suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. It unclogs pores, exfoliates dead skin cells, and evens out skin tone. How to use: apply once or twice daily after cleansing and toning. Follow with moisturizer. Number 2. The ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. Key ingredients: glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. Benefits: offers deep exfoliation for brighter and more even skin tone, reduces the appearance of blemish, and improves skin texture. How to use: use once a week for 10 minutes on clean and dry skin. Rinse thoroughly and follow with a hydrating serum or moisturizer. Number 3. Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial. Key ingredients: glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. Benefits: resurfaces and refines the skin to reveal a more radiant and youthful-looking complexion. Suitable for more skin types, but recommended to patch test if you have sensitive skin. How to use: use once a week for 20 minutes. Rinse off and follow with Drunk Elephant's virgin marula oil or another hydrating moisturizer. Number 4. Dermatologica Daily Microfoliant. Key ingredients: rice-based enzyme powder, salicylic acid, and colloidal oatmeal. Benefits: gentle enough for daily use on all skin types, exfoliates and brightens the skin, leaving it smooth and radiant. How to use: dispense about a half teaspoon into wet hands and create a creamy paste by rubbing hands together. Apply to face in circular motion and rinse thoroughly. Number 5. Biosense Squalane Plus Glycolic Renewal Facial. Key ingredients: glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, and squalane. Benefits: exfoliates, smooths, and hydrates the skin, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on for 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your skin's tolerance. Rinse with warm water. Tips for choosing an exfoliant. Number 1. Skin sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin, opt for products with lower concentrations of acids and use them less frequently. Number 2. Hydration. Ensure the exfoliant includes hydrating ingredients to avoid excessive dryness. Number 3. Patch test. Always perform a patch test before applying a new exfoliating product to your entire face. Number 4. Sun protection. Use sunscreen daily, especially when using exfoliating products, as they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Each of these products has been formulated to provide effective exfoliation while being gentle enough for a wide range of skin types.